Thanks for tuning in to Street Life. I'm Natasha, and right now I am out in Kennesaw. Actually gonna go to the movies, but gonna grab something to eat first at this Revolving Sushi Factory place. I've seen like videos of places like this on YouTube, but I saw this place here next to the movies and decided that I would come check it out.
So I was seated at the bar, but there's another section of the restaurant that has booths. And in that area, there's a large window that allows you to see into the kitchen. Chefs back there, like the rice made off and with the various cuts of fish, putting together the sushi.
The food comes around in a conveyor belt, and you have a little screen at your station where you can order items. So right now I'm gonna get some nigiri, and you can order 4 items at a time. So I've chosen some tuna, the eel, octopus, and then the flying fish roe. You pick the 4 items you want, tap order, and there you go. You see, it gives you a little check mark situation there, and this is like the little bullet train. So now, let's get started. I'm gonna start with the octopus. The rice is nicely cooked. I've been to some places where the octopus can be a little bit tough, a little bit chewy. This is actually quite good. It's nice and tender. It's really the fresh food, really fresh flavors. Tuna. Basically, I love about sushi. It's nice, tender, really fresh flavor. Really nice, just fresh. The texture of it is just incredible. And I also love like the wasabi. Please exercise this. I'm going to save it for the soy sauce. And salmon. So far, things really good. Nice and fresh. Sometimes for the sushi place, it's room temperature. Yeah, sweet, savory, a little bit of the kick from the wasabi. The rice is just the perfect temperature. Fish roll. The thing I really like sushi is like just the texture. And it's a little bit some more, like nice bit of spice too. It's a little fruit punch. You have like a nice way you can bring back some textures. And I'm not making it's like just a little bit of spice, but not overwhelming. It just has like just a little bit of heat to it. That's some more really doesn't feel like my favorite kind of sushi. Sweet, savory. Spicy salmon, smoked rub. So the one that I had before was the onion fish. It's presentation to this is the serum. So the teenage I had before was like a right balance of heat, like just simple consistency about that really texture to it. A little bit of sweet horse creamy. There's a little bit of mayo, just a little bit hot, which people that don't really like mayonnaise, but it works quite good. Steamed shrimp. Fresh flavor. A little bit tough to be a little bit more tender. Slightly overcooked, but so far everything I've had that's like the one that I like the least. And it just has more to do with like the texture. Not a lot of flavor to it or anything like that. But everything else has been pretty good. No complaints. Here behind me is like a little robot delivers drinks. I actually don't like mayonnaise. Sorry, I'm just gonna do a little bit of that. too bad.
Thanks for tuning in. To ensure you don't miss any episodes, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, go ahead and click that thumbs up button if you like what you saw, and go ahead and share it on social media.